A remote team spanning across the UK and Europe work remotely in North America as a US consultant. In this video, a couple of different jobs in the UI, UX space and a couple of bonus jobs too for those in US, UE, Europe, UK, it's basically global opportunities. Check it out. What's up guys, it is Rowan here from LWAH, where we help you find freedom and work-life balance by sharing information on making extra side income, finding a work from home job, starting an online business so you can be your own boss. If that sounds good, hit subscribe and smack the bell so you don't miss out on the content we've got in store. Need to take a breath. Also, let us know what industry you're in, what jobs you want to see more of in these videos. If you let us know in the comments below, we'll seek them out, hunt them down, and publish them for you. Okay, let's dive straight into it. The first company I want to share with you is Series 8, who are, basically they, as it says there, Series 8 create websites, identities, and e-commerce stores. So the role I'm sharing with these guys is UX UI designer, and they have a team spanning across the UK and Europe, as I mentioned at the start. Now, they're committed to remote work, as you can see from their blog article that they've published here, why we took our digital team fully remote. So, oh man, imagine working in this little tropical paradise. That's what the laptop lifestyle. Now, they're looking for someone who knows Sketch like the back of their hand, genuine passion for solving problems, good understanding how websites work, ability to work on projects, pitch ideas, keen eye for typography, self-starter, efficient with time, all that sort of stuff. And their perks are, work from anywhere, work globally, work from wherever you want, be part of an awesome collaborative team, remote team building events, personal projects, and also a budget for learning. So that means they'll probably, I don't know, you need to ask them, but pay for things like books or maybe even seminars, whatever is going to help you do your job better and grow as a person and also as a UX UI designer. So to apply for this job, you just need to scroll down, send us a message there. You can send the application, bada bing, bada boom, you're on your way. Now for another 2 jobs, if you go back to the website with these guys, you scroll right down to the bottom here. It's just in the screen maybe. If you hit that careers button, it'll take you over to here where, as you can see, they've also got freelance illustrator animator remote and creative front-end developer remote. So there's another couple of bonus jobs for your back pocket. Or your buddies. If you know anyone that's in illustration or front-end developing and they need a remote job, then, share the love. The second company is Bitovi, who are UX UI designers and also JavaScript consultants, as you can see. Now, they're looking for a UX designer. So if you want to work remotely in North America as a UX consultant, as I've mentioned already, then this could be a very good role for you. Now, similar to Series 8, Bitovi has also got their own blog where they've published their own article on Hello Potential Bitovi and on what life is like working at Bitovi. So what is Bitovi about? It's a bit about the company, where we came from, a different model, talking about how they do things differently, what sorts of projects you work on, what you do day to day, and then do I get training? It talks about that, and yes, you do get some training. Tell me more about the open source team, etc., etc. So it's really cool that they share that sort of information. So it's not just, I just see a lot of job postings where they just rattle on about stuff like how good we are and how awesome and what we're doing, and it's just very them centric, whereas that article is more about how you can fit into it and how it could be a good fit for you. So anyway, check it out. It's a full-time remote position where you would be doing things like conducting discovery workshops, writing and conducting surveys, creating and performing user interviews, developing personas, scheduling, preparing and administering user testing, all sorts of things. It goes on like that. Also, if you actually want to know where these job listings are so you can find this page that I have on the screen right now, if you go to LWAH and you hit that magnifying glass there, it's going to magnify you over to our find a work from home jobs page where we have jobs from this week. As you can see, user experience design at Bitovi in the content and design. We've also got jobs from last week, and then further down the bottom, we've got jobs that are, just work remote, typical or popular work from home jobs, and you can click on any of those boxes and find some more information on those blogs. So going back to where we were, the perks for that Bitovi are offering are competitive salary and annual bonuses. Who doesn't like a bonus? Company retreats, previously Boston, Scottsdale, Denver, Las Vegas, New Orleans, and Amelia Island. Also 401k plan with matching, 4 weeks paid time off. That's pretty healthy. And speaking of health and dental insurance, gym membership in reimbursement, again, health-centered, maternity, paternity leave, that's very important stuff, and work from home, baby, that's what we are all about. So if that is interesting to you, then you can hit the apply. They've got quite a bit of stuff in there, but bolded here, make sure you read that. Applications that are missing any of the following details will not be considered. So just have a read of that, and then you actually scroll back up here to start filling in your details. Now, if you want to see what else Bitovi have got, if you actually click on this little Bitovi banner there, it doesn't even look like a button, but if you click on that, it's going to take you over to their other current openings. And as you can see, there are a couple of things. There's actually only one other that looks remote, and it does say Chicago, but it does say remote for a JavaScript developer and consultant. The other ones are just in Chicago. But again, if you're in that area or, want to move there to work for Bitovi, then now's your chance. So I hope you got something out of that. Have a fantastic day. Hit the subscribe button, smack the bell so you don't miss out on the fantabulous content we've got coming up in store. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye.